Everyone is learning ChatGPT right now. But what if I told you the next AI skill that could dominate the future isn't ChatGPT at all? It's an AI that can literally write software for you. And most people still have no idea it exists. Imagine opening your laptop, typing one sentence, and an AI builds an entire app, fixes bugs, and even runs the code automatically. That's exactly what OpenAI Codex can do. Codex is an AI coding agent developed by OpenAI. Unlike traditional coding tools, it understands natural language. It reads entire code bases. It writes real production code. This means developers can simply describe what they want and Codex turns it into working software. Example: prompt: build a simple website with login authentication. Codex writes the entire code. This changes something huge. For decades, learning programming required years of study. But now AI tools like Codex allow people to prototype apps instantly, automate development, debug software faster. And the most interesting part, even experienced developers are now using AI coding assistants daily. Quick question for you. Would you trust an AI to write important software? Comment below. Yes or no? I'm curious what you think. Developers are already using AI coding agents to generate websites, build automation tools, write APIs, debug complex systems. Startups are using AI to launch products 10x faster. Imagine building an entire startup product with just prompts. That future is getting closer every day. The biggest skill of the future might not be coding. It might be prompting AI correctly. Knowing how to guide AI tools like Codex could become one of the most valuable tech skills. The people who understand this early will have a huge advantage. If you're interested in AI tools, future technology, and productivity hacks, make sure you like this video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next AI breakthroughs. In the future, developers may work differently. Instead of writing every line of code, they will 1. Design systems. 2. Guide AI. 3. Review AI output. Developers become AI directors instead of coders. The biggest mistake people are making today is thinking AI tools are just small productivity upgrades. But tools like Codex show something bigger. They show the beginning of AI-assisted creation. And the people who learn these tools early will build the future. If you found this video useful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more videos on AI tools and the future of technology. And comment below which AI tool you want me to explain next.